guess y'all go get to sleep.
There's no sleep at a convention.
We'll catch you in the morning. Feel free to grab some more if you want to munch on the way out. Your room. It's just going to sit here and go bad tonight, so.
It's going to go bad.
You ate? I'm starving. It's like when you went to sleep. That's your fault for staying up for 2 days.
What the crap?
Well, no. Hey, you asked me to put something on YouTube, god dang it.
And then Tim and Steve looking at us. These people are awesome.
You love me for it?
Oh, I thought I was wearing like a hat with a thing.
No, it's okay, huh? No, I have your hat.
Okay, can I trade hats?
Yeah, okay, fine. We'll trade hats. Yes, we can trade hats.
I'm keeping this anyway.
Ah.
Oh, you cut off the flower.
Oh, fucking kill me.
Just give him all right.
Take it.
Take my flower.